In the realm of Azure Resource Management, implementing backup and recovery is a critical task. This process ensures that data is protected and can be restored in case of accidental deletion, corruption, or disaster. Azure provides a suite of tools and services designed to facilitate efficient backup and recovery, making it an essential skill for any Azure administrator. This presentation will delve into the various aspects of backup and recovery, including the tools available, best practices, and real-world scenarios. Backup and recovery are vital for maintaining data integrity and availability. In the event of data loss due to hardware failure, cyber attacks, or human error, having a robust backup strategy ensures that data can be restored quickly and efficiently. This minimizes downtime and prevents significant financial and reputational damage. Azure's backup solutions offer automated, scalable, and secure options to protect your data, making it easier to comply with regulatory requirements and business continuity plans. Azure Backup is a cloud-based service that provides simple, secure, and cost-effective solutions to back up your data and recover it from the Microsoft Azure cloud. It replaces your existing on-premises or off-site backup solution with a cloud-based solution that is reliable, secure, and scalable. Azure Backup can back up data from on-premises machines, Azure VMs, SQL databases, and more. It integrates with Azure Site Recovery to provide a comprehensive disaster recovery solution. Setting up Azure Backup involves several steps. First, you need to create a Recovery Services Vault, which acts as a storage entity for your backups. Next, you configure the backup policy, specifying the frequency and retention period for your backups. After that, you install the Azure Backup Agent on the machines you want to back up and register them with the Recovery Services Vault. Finally, you initiate the backup process and monitor its progress through the Azure portal. Backup policies in Azure define how and when backups are taken and how long they are retained. A well-defined backup policy ensures that your data is backed up regularly and retained for the required duration. You can configure policies to take daily, weekly, or monthly backups and specify retention periods ranging from days to years. Azure Backup also supports application-consistent backups, ensuring that applications are in a consistent state when the backup is taken. Monitoring and reporting are crucial aspects of managing backups. Azure provides built-in monitoring and alerting capabilities to track the status of your backups. You can set up alerts to notify you of backup failures or other issues. Additionally, Azure Backup provides detailed reports on backup jobs, storage usage, and policy compliance. These reports help you ensure that your backup strategy is effective and identify any areas that need improvement. Azure Site Recovery, ASR, is a disaster recovery solution that complements Azure Backup. ASR replicates workloads running on physical and virtual machines from a primary site to a secondary location. In the event of a disaster, you can fail over to the secondary location and continue operations with minimal downtime. ASR supports a wide range of replication scenarios, including Azure VMs, on-premises VMs, and physical servers. It also integrates with Azure Backup to provide a comprehensive backup and disaster recovery solution. Setting up Azure Site Recovery involves creating a Recovery Services Vault, configuring the replication settings, and enabling replication for your workloads. You need to install the ASR agent on the machines you want to replicate and register them with the Recovery Services Vault. Once replication is enabled, ASR continuously replicates data to the secondary location. You can test failover scenarios to ensure that your disaster recovery plan works as expected and initiate failover in the event of a disaster. A robust disaster recovery plan is essential for ensuring business continuity. Your plan should include a detailed strategy for backing up and recovering data, as well as procedures for failing over to a secondary location. Regular testing of your disaster recovery plan is crucial to ensure that it works as expected. Azure provides tools and services to help you create, test, and maintain your disaster recovery plan, ensuring that you can quickly recover from any disaster. Implementing best practices for backup and recovery ensures that your data is protected and can be restored quickly. Some best practices include regularly testing your backups, using application-consistent backups, encrypting backup data, and following the 3-2-1 backup rule: 3 copies of your data on 2 different media with 1 copy off-site. Additionally, You should regularly review and update your backup policies and disaster recovery plan to ensure they meet your current needs. Understanding real world scenarios helps illustrate the importance of backup and recovery. For example, consider a company that experiences a ransomware attack. With a robust backup strategy, the company can restore its data from backups taken before the attack, minimizing downtime and data loss. Another scenario could involve a natural disaster that destroys on-premises infrastructure. With Azure Site Recovery, the company can fail over to a secondary location and continue operations with minimal disruption. Contoso Limited, a global manufacturing company, implemented Azure Backup and Site Recovery to protect its critical data and ensure business continuity. By leveraging Azure's cloud-based solutions, Contoso was able to automate its backup processes, reduce costs, and improve data security. When a fire destroyed one of its data centers, Contoso quickly failed over to its secondary location using Azure Site Recovery, minimizing downtime and preventing data loss. This case study highlights the effectiveness of Azure's backup and recovery solutions in real-world scenarios. Implementing backup and recovery is a critical aspect of managing Azure resources. By leveraging Azure Backup and Site Recovery, you can protect your data, ensure business continuity, and comply with regulatory requirements. The next steps involve setting up these services, configuring backup policies, and regularly testing your disaster recovery plan. By following best practices and learning from real-world scenarios, you can create a robust backup and recovery strategy that meets your organization's needs.